Hi, this is Julius and Tigger from websitedino.com, and today we're going to teach you 5 simple steps to creating your very own website. Is that right, Tigger? Yes. Okay, so this is the website you will be creating together with me. We will learn together how to create a logo. We will learn how to insert pages or these tabs on top here. We will learn how to put in a slider and also images and simple icons to display the information on your website, a large and catchy phrase, a call to action button, and also social media buttons. Okay? On top of that, we will learn how to create these pages: an about page, a video page which you can embed YouTube videos which can be played directly from your website, contact us page which you can include a map and also a contact form in 5 simple steps. So continue watching to learn more. Step 1. Signing up for your web hosting account and your own domain name. Alright, let's start. What you see before you is HostGator.com. HostGator is actually a web hosting website which you can host your domains, for example, u.com. Alright, just click on View Web Hosting Plans. Alright, what you can see before you are 3 plans: Hatchling, Baby, and Business Plan. Alright, the main difference is that the Hatchling plan gives you only a single domain. However, the 2 other plans gives you unlimited domains. Example of domains are u.com, me.com, family.com, school.com, and so on. So if it's your intention to only have single domain, go for the hatchling plan because it's much cheaper. However, if you plan to have many other domains, you can either go for baby plan or business plan. Alright, for today we just go with baby plan, which gives us unlimited domain. Alright, let's click on this, which opens up a list of duration of subscription you can have. The 3-year subscription gives you a cheaper rate and monthly slightly more expensive. But let's go with monthly because I believe it gives a better flexibility. Alright, let's go with monthly and click on Order Now. Okay, once you reach the next page, you'll be asked to enter your new domain. Alright, let's try it. Website Dino. If it's available, it will show up as congratulations. If it's not, for example, you will see that they'll ask you to choose another name. Alright, so if you already bought a domain name from another website like GoDaddy, you can also key in at this column as well. Alright, ensure that you have your right package and the right duration of subscription. Key in your username. Okay, and your billing information. Alright, you can either choose to pay by credit card or PayPal. Either way is fine. If you are below 18 years old, please gain consent from your parents before using a credit card. Alright, next we have hosting add-ons. What all these are actually privacy protection, security, backup, and also SEO for your web hosting account. For today's purpose, we will just uncheck all of this so that we can save more on this yearly subscription, because these add-on actually add on to the final price as well. Alright, let's move on to the next column. Coupon code. Right here you have a coupon code named Snappy. This is given to you by HostGator and gives you a 20% off your subscription fee. Alright, you can look at here. There's a discount of $4.04 Alright, this is good, but I will give you another coupon code, which is Gator Dino 25. Once you have keyed in this, click validate. This coupon code actually gives you additional discount, which is 25% discount, which you can look at here, which the discount have been increased to $4.54. Alright, when you key in this coupon code, HostGator actually gives me a small incentive, and this small incentive actually helps me in creating free videos for all of you to make beautiful websites for yourself. Alright, and I greatly appreciate your help. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's move on. After you have keyed in Gator Dino 25 coupon code, just check that your subscription is correct and your domain registration is also correct and your total amount due. Okay, once it's all correct, click on Agree to Terms and Conditions and create your account. Alright, in a couple of minutes, HostGator should send you a confirmation email, alright, like the one you have keyed in your subscription, your billing account, sorry, and you should receive an email something like this. So open up your email. Alright, hi Julius, thank you for your order with HostGator.com. Alright, so you'll be given your information. Alright, next click on your control panel and you'll be redirected to your control panel for your web hosting website. Okay, you're asked to key in your username and your password. So go back to your email, copy your username, and copy your password. And log in. The control panel is where you will be managing all your domains, and this is your web hosting control panel. Alright, you will see a range of options over here. Don't get too worried about it because we'll go through step by step. Okay. Installing WordPress. Alright, so you have learned in step 1 how to access the HostGator control panel. Once you're into control panel, go all the way down until you see software/services and click on quick install. Alright, once you're into quick install, look at the left column and find the word WordPress. Press on it and click continue. Next, search for your domain name that you have just registered and click on it. Enable auto upgrades is to automatically update your WordPress version, so just check that. Insert your admin email. Blog title, it can be anything, don't worry about it. Admin user. Alright, do take note that in the past, admin user is just named as admin. However, I suggest that you change it to something unique to yourself because this prevents hackers from easily accessing your website. Alright, so let's just choose something other than admin and just type in your name. After that, just click on install now. This should install WordPress into your domain name. Alright, as simple as that, we have installed WordPress into our domain name. Okay, please do note down the username and password as you use it later. Okay, right. Next, click here and you should be redirected to WordPress on your domain name. Alright, here we have successfully installed WordPress upon our domain name. Okay, To access your admin features, just go to your domain name and click on yourdomainname.com/wp-admin and enter. You should be asked for your username and password. So go back to quick install, copy your username, okay, and log in. Alright, now you're into your admin features, which allows you to create your very own WordPress website. This is dashboard, which is the home page for everything. Okay, next we shall just first change our password, of course, to something easily remembered. Okay, go to user, hover over your name and click on edit and scroll all the way down until you see new password and change your password. Alright, and click on update profile. Alright, you should be using the same password to sign in next time. Okay, next we are going to change our domain name with the www in front. So let's go to settings and general. This is a personal preference, but I like it with the www in front. Alright, we're at general settings. So you can see WordPress address and site address. Change the both of them with www in front. Okay, do make sure that it's correct. Otherwise you have a hard time accessing your website next time. Alright, once you're clear that it's fine, just click on Save Changes. Alright, WordPress should ask you to sign in again. So just type in your username and your new password. Okay. And you should be back into dashboard. Alright, just to check, preview your website and you should see that your domain name has a www in front. Okay. Installing a theme. Alright, once you're on dashboard, click Appearance and Themes. Okay, once you're at themes, you should be able to see that you have 3 pre-installed themes, which is 2014, 2013, and 2012. Why I have the additional themes is because I installed it previously. Alright, so, and also do take note that you can only activate one theme at a time. Alright, which means you can only have one theme for your website. Okay, I shall teach you how to add a new theme. Alright, scroll down until you see the plus button and click on it, add new theme. Okay, once you reach this page, you should be able to see the various themes, alright, that WordPress is offering. Okay, today we're going to install the theme named Vantage. Okay, so if you don't see it on this page, you can also search for it here. Type Vantage. Okay, wait for it to load, and yes, it should come out like this. All you need to do next is click on Install. Alright, once it's successful, you can click Activate. Once it's activated, your website should take on the theme of Vantage or whatever theme you use in the future. But for this tutorial, we'll be learning using this theme. Alright, let's check. Go to your website
and you should see that your website has changed to the theme you select. Okay? Alright, I'll show you the great thing about this Vantage theme. Alright, the great thing about this Vantage theme is that it is very responsive. Let me show you what responsive is. Let me just make this smaller. Alright, so if you minimize your window, you can see that your picture becomes smaller together with the window, and so are your contents without messing up. Alright, so this is what responsive theme is. Okay. Alright, let me show you something else about this theme. This theme is actually very versatile, like how it advertises. It has a page builder, which I'll show you how to use later, which is to basically build up your home page with a very easy fashion, and meta slider, which is what you see before you, which is this slider, which is very beautiful, and also WooCommerce, which allows you to sell items on your website. Okay, I'll go through with you for page builder and meta slider in this tutorial. Alright, okay, let me teach you a bit more about the theme. Right, let's go back to, you can go back to your dashboard. Alright, I have my dashboard here. Okay, once you're back at your dashboard, go to Appearance and Theme Settings. I shall go through with you one by one and explain what all those options and tabs are about. Okay, this is where you play around with different settings of your themes. Alright, first is the logo image. What logo image is actually this one, the one which says Vantage. You can change this according to your company logo, which we'll see how later on. And the header text is actually this one, which you can put your tagline or your contact number and so on. Okay, for the layout, what responsive is we have gone through. So if you disable this, you would see that your window is no longer responsive, which means if you minimize it, your picture will not become small together with your window. And also if you use this website on an iPhone or iPad or Samsung tablet, it will not look as nice. So you would want this to be checked. Alright, layout bound. Alright, the normal option is full width, but I've changed it to box to show you. Alright, so this is a comparison. The full width one is like this, and the box one is like this. There's a empty space beside here. Alright, and masthead layout, I've changed it to logo in menu. Alright, so without logo in menu, the logo would be up here, and with logo in menu, the logo would be in the masthead. This bar here is called the masthead. Alright, and you can choose to disable or put an empty menu on the masthead, which means that this menu here will disappear. Alright, and footer layout you are unable to change in this basic version of Vantage. Right, for the home page, that's the slider. Okay, we'll go through more of this. The slider is basically this thing over here. We'll go through this by installing the meta slider plugin later on. And stretch is actually goes to say that your slider is a full width of the whole screen. Okay, navigation. Alright, sticky menu, when you enable it, look at here. Look at the masthead bar over here. If you scroll down, the masthead bar actually sticks up to the top and goes down together with you as you scroll down. But if you disable it, the masthead will remain on top, and when you scroll down, this one, here. When you scroll down, the masthead will not go down together as you scroll down. Alright, that's what it means by sticky. And the search menu and scroll to top button are these. Search menu and scroll to top button is this one, respectively. Allows you to go to the top. Alright, and this function doesn't really work in Vantage for some reasons. Block, we shall not cover this here. Social, only available for Vantage Premium, which you have to pay a small amount for. And the general allows you to put a text, your copyright information in your website, like I've put here. All right, it will go underneath here, like so. Okay, so this is all about the theme. Step 4 involves creating pages or tabs on this masthead. Okay, we're also going to learn how to insert a picture and edit it, a video, and also a map and a contact form. We're also going to learn how to rearrange the pages up here. Okay, let's go. We shall go to dashboard first and pages. Okay, let's add a new page. All right, the 3 current ones are the 3 that you already have up here. Okay, so if we add a new one, we would be able to see a new tab appearing on your website. Okay, let's add an about page. Okay, you can insert some text. I'm Julius and I like to teach others how to create websites. Okay, next, to insert a picture, just go to put your cursor at the place where you want to insert a picture and then add media. Okay, let's upload a picture. Just click select files and go to the picture in which you want to upload and wait for it to upload. Alright, those are the existing pictures I've uploaded already. This is my media library, and to upload files, just go to this tab here. Okay, once it's done, click insert into page. There you have it, we have a picture. Okay, as simple as that. To edit it, just click on the picture and click this pencil sign over here. Okay, you can include a caption. Hi, Julius. You can include an alternative text. You can put an alignment. We go for center, size, custom or medium, large, or the full size. And link to is actually what you want to link others to when they click on your picture. For example, another page on your website. So you can put a custom URL, and you can even link them to, for example, Google, all right, or another link on your website. All right, for mine, I don't want any link. All right, okay, now let's edit the picture. Just click edit original. Okay, here you can actually see various options. You can scale your image. Okay, scale is actually to reduce the size of your image in a correct proportion. Okay, so for example, you change this width and this is height. Okay, just to explain to you, width is this way and height is here. Okay, so this is in pixels, 1536 pixels. Okay, so if I change the width, the height will automatically be changed as well, because this is in proportion. Okay, the picture becomes smaller if you scale it down. Okay, today, and if you want to scale it, just click on this scale button, but today we're not going to scale it. All right, next we'll learn some options over here. This is the crop button, this is the rotate button, this is the flip button, and this is the undo and redo button. Okay, today we're going to learn how to crop this picture. To crop, just drag it along your picture to the place you want your picture to be, and then click on the crop button. Okay, once it's done, just click save, and you should be able to see your newly cropped picture. Okay, and just click update. There you have it, cropped picture with a caption and your text below. Once you're done, click publish, and let's go to our website and see if our about page is there. There you have it, the about page. Let's go inside and see. There, your picture and your text. Okay, what you see on this sidebar over here are widgets. It might not look nice on your website or your page, so you might want to remove it. Alright, to remove it, just go to Appearance and Widgets, and you should be able to see that you have sidebar widgets here, which correlates to the one here. Okay, to remove it, just drag it out, drag and drop to the left side from your sidebar widget, and it is automatically saved, so you don't have to press the save button. Now let's go back to our about page and click refresh, and you should see that it is gone. Okay, so it looks neater and cleaner. This is one way to make your website more professional and beautiful looking. Okay, right, let's add another page. Right now we learned how to, let's click on add new. We'll learn how to add a video. So this is a video page. We can insert some text. Here are some videos. Okay, next just go to a video website like YouTube, and we just copy the link. Alright, this is my favorite band, Hillsong, and we just go to one nice song that I like. Right, just pause it, and as simple as that, just copy the link and paste it into your page and press publish. Once it's published, you can go to your website again and click refresh. Okay, you should see the new video tab that you just added. Let's go to it, and you can see that your video is on your page. The text and the video, which you can play straight off your website. There you have it, and of course the sidebar widget is gone, making your website look nicer. Okay, let's add a new page for the contact form and also your map. Okay, I already have a page here, so I'll just enter it, the contact us page. Okay, now it's empty, so I'll add something into it. Alright, contact us page is good if you have a business and want to tell others where your business is. So you can put in your address, right? Kuala Lumpur is the capital of Malaysia where I'm staying. Okay, you can put in your email. You can put in your phone number. We just put random one for today. Okay, enter. Right, now we learn how to put in a page. Alright, sorry, a map. Let's go to Google Maps and just key in the address of your business. For today, I'll just key in Kuala Lumpur, where I'm staying. And once I key it in, it should be here. And next, to put this into my page, I'll just click on this settings button here and click on the share and embed map. Alright, there are various sizes in which you can choose from. Okay, small, medium, or large. Okay, just copy the link here if you want this size, but today we'll just try a custom size. Alright, we go with 800 width and 600 height, and we just copy and paste it into our page. Before you paste it, make sure to go to the text tab because this is a HTML code. Okay, remove this random code here and paste your HTML code in. When you go to the visual mode, you'll be able to see that there's something like a picture here, which means your HTML code is probably right. Alright, let's try it. Let's click on the update button. Alright, and let's go back to here and let's go to our contact us page. And there you have it. Your text together with your map that you have just inserted. Alright, next we will learn how to insert a contact form in which people can just key in off your website and send an email to you. Okay, for this we need a plugin, so go to plugins and add new. Okay, this is a plugin name, so which I'm recommending to you. It's called Contact Form 7. Let's search for it. There you have it. Okay, the next time when you install some plugins, you can actually look at the details first. The ratings is usually very important, and you can see how many people has downloaded it, so you can gauge how good an add-on is. You can also look at some screenshots of what the plugin is all about. Plugin is actually something to enhance the features of WordPress and also give you extra functions. Okay, so this is a contact form plugin, so we just click install now, and it's successfully installed, and just click activate plugin. Once it's activated, you should be able to see that a new thing has appeared here, which is the contact tab. Alright, just go to this contact tab, which is the contact form 7 plugin tab. Okay, once you're in here, just click on this contact form 1. You can have many custom contact forms. You can change the name. Let's say I want this to be contact us form. Okay, right. Okay, you can change different settings and various settings over here. For example, you want them to send it to your email. Depending which email you're using, you can change it here. Like this is my email, and you can change other settings as well. Okay, so for this, we'll ask for people's name, their email, the subject, their message, and the send button, which you can all customize here. Okay, once you're done customizing, just copy this here. Okay, and go back to pages. This is another HTML code. Right, go back to contact us. And it's loading. Alright, go to the text tab to insert your HTML code. Right, just paste this code in. Alright, and click on update. And let's go back here to refresh this. And we should be able to see that we have our new contact form below here. Okay, it's actually a contact form in which people, when they have a query, they can just send something to you. My email, hello@gmail.com, for example. Right, questioner, subject, I want to learn how to make websites. Teach me more. Right, for example, I'm a person with an inquiry. I'll just type this in and just send. Right, your message is successfully sent. This should go directly into your email. So questioner, you would have the person's email, the subject, and the message body sent directly to your email according to your preference. Alright, so this is how you add a map and also a contact form. Okay, finally we'll learn how to rearrange the tabs up here. Okay, in the event you want the contact us tab behind and the video tab in front here, let's go back to dashboard. Let's go to appearance and menus. Menus allow you to create different menus on your website. Alright, okay, we have a default menu here, which is the arrangement you see on your website. So it's home, about, contact us, so it's same as here. Okay, you can change the menu name. For this it's our masthead, right? Masthead. So we will just create this menu. Okay, it's our masthead menu. Okay, to change it, just move it around and it's as simple as that. Okay, alright, so I wanted video up here, and contact us form down here, and I probably do not want sample page, so I'll just click remove. Alright, whenever you have created a new page, you can add it from here as well. If I want a sub tab, I can just pull it like this, videos, pull it like this, so it has another level here. Okay, and you can rearrange it according to your preference and just save menu. Alright, once you're done, let's refresh this and go to home. Oops, sorry, you need to actually select your primary menu, okay, by going to manage locations and select your masthead menu and save changes. So this is actually a primary menu. If you do not select it, nothing will change. Alright, so once you have selected it, you should see that it's according to what you put in this place over here. Alright, so we have our home button, about, with a drop down sub menu of video, and also the contact us form. Okay, so that is all for creating pages and also rearranging them. To create a home page, alright, there's 3 parts to this. The first part is that we will learn how to create a logo and also how to upload it so that you will be able to change the logo here. The second part is that we're going to insert images into this slider here using the Meta Slider plugin. And the third is that we're going to install a plugin called the Page Builder, which allows you to configure different widgets on your home page, which has many customizations which you can use to create a very beautiful home page. Alright, let's go. First, go to your dashboard and to appearance and to theme settings. In theme settings, you will be able to change your logo image here by choosing an image. Alright, if you already have a company logo, you can upload it here, but do note that the size should be around this size, alright, so that they will look nice. The size is very important. The size for this logo here is around 180 width times by 40 height. Alright, so you should be looking around that width and height. Okay, I shall teach you how to create your own logo if you do not already have one. First, let's download the logo picture. You can either get it from Google Images. However, if you get images from Google, you have to ensure that those are not copyrighted. However, I can recommend to you a website called pixabay.com, which has free images, free of copyrights, which you can use freely without any fear of copyrights. Okay, this is pixabay.com. Okay, all you need to do is search for the image that you want. Today I'll just search for logo. Okay, and there are plenty of logos here which you can use. Okay, so today I'll go with the first one, which has the flames on it. And once you ensure that this is the logo you want, just click on download and just go for the smaller size, because all we need is a small size, and download. It is a PNG file, which means it has a transparent background. Okay, once it's downloaded, okay, let's go to a picture editing software website, which is called pixlr.com. Okay, and let's go to Pixlr editor and launch the web app. Okay, once you're here, create a new image and name your file. You can call it flame logo for website. There are some preset width and height dimensions here, but today we will key in our own dimension. Let's try a longer width and a smaller height. And a transparent background is important for your website. And click OK. Okay, so this will be the logo size which you will insert into your website. Okay, let's just enlarge it a little. And right now we want to just put the picture that we have downloaded into here and create our own logo. So go to File and Open Image. Let's go to Download and we will choose this image. Alright, here it is. Okay, what we want to do is to put this image here, which is rather large, into this small area. Okay, so to do this, let's click on this image first, press Edit and select all, Edit, copy, and click on this window here and Edit, paste. Do note that you can use the shortcuts listed down here as well. Okay, alright, let's look at this window. So if you see, the picture is slightly larger, it's very large in this window. So what we need to do is really to shrink down this logo to fit this window over here. So to do this, let's click on Edit and Free Transform. Okay, this Free Transform command actually lets you shrink down the size of your logo. Okay, to do this, we need to press Shift and drag the image so that the logo will shrink proportionately. Okay, oops, look, if you do not click Shift, the image will not shrink proportionately, and this is what will happen. The image will become a bit more stretched or slightly too long. Okay, let's not save this. Let's try again. Edit, Free Transform, hold down Shift and drag. Alright, before you let go Shift, let go of your mouse first and then let go of Shift. Right, it's still a bit too big, so let's just make it smaller like this. Okay, and place it at the position you want and save changes. Okay, so we have our logo in our window. Alright, next what we want to do is maybe type in some text for the logo. We go with Fire and Co. Okay, you can choose the font which you like. Right, this looks fiery. You can choose the size. And there are other options here as well, color and the rest. Okay, I'll just put this down here. And you can align it properly. Let's push this size slightly smaller. Okay, so this is just an example. Let's go back to this select tool and we can move this around and move this around. If you want to move the picture, you have to go to layer 1, edit, free transform, then you can move the picture slightly over here. Okay, right, so we have our logo. Let's press File, Save. You can change the quality here. Make sure it's a PNG transparent quality. Press OK, and we'll just save it under Pictures. Alright, we have our image now. Let's go back to our theme settings. Okay, just click on Choose Image, select Files, select your logo. Oops, here's our logo, Fire and Co. Upload it and press Set Logo and Save Settings. Okay, now let's visit our site and see, and look, there is our nice logo which fits the website perfectly. Okay, that's nice, right? For me, I shall choose my own logo, which I have already uploaded, which is the cute little dino. Okay, and here it is, the cute little dino. Okay, the next thing we want to learn is to insert the slider, like what you see before you. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to install a plugin which is called the Meta Slider plugin. Add a new plugin and search for Meta Slider. Alright, press install now. Okay, and you would want to activate the plugin. Okay, once you activate the plugin, you will see that the Meta Slider tab has appeared. So just press the Meta Slider tab and you can start adding sliders here. Okay, rename the new slider that you want to use for your homepage slider, and you can start adding a slide. Alright. Okay, I've got some pictures already from Pixabay and edited it as well. Okay, you can scroll through the list of the many pictures there are in Pixabay, and in another video I will teach you how to insert text and also edit pictures so that it looks really nice like this. Okay, so we will just add it to the slider, and do note that your size needs to be 1400 width and 400 height. Okay, so that it will turn out nicely on your website. Okay, wait for it to appear here, and you can insert your caption, a URL to direct people to other links. SEO is what is used to help you to get better Google ranking. You can crop it, which is a zoom, if you want to emphasize on certain parts of the picture. Okay, let's go to this right column here. These are different types of sliders which slides differently. You can experiment on it, but today we'll go with flex slider. Okay, let's key in this 1400 width and 400 height. I have experimented many heights and widths and found that this is the best, so just go with 1004 and 400. You can change the different effects and experiment with it. All these are faded because there's a premium version for you to use if you want the other options. Okay, there's actually this Vantage flex theme which I've tried out, but I found that it's not so good because not all parts of your picture will show up on the website, so we just go with default. Okay, and you can go to advanced settings and look at the other options You can play around with the other options, okay, like for example animation speed or slide delay. For example, this is around 3 seconds I believe before each slide changes. Okay, alright, let's turn this off, because if you put this on, like I've experimented, your picture will be distorted. Okay, let's click save. Alright, once you save it, do not go back to your website first because we have other settings to change. Let's go to appearance and theme settings. You have to change this. Okay, and let's go to home, and let's change this home page slider to your slider homepage slider. Okay, and untick this stretch so that you will get a good nice image. And let's save settings. Alright, once you're done, you can go back to your website and refresh it. And let's look at our beautiful image appearing. Alright, look, it's exactly as how we have edited it, exactly as you see it is what appears on your website. Okay, just follow the settings that I have recommended to you and you won't go wrong. Okay, you can put a couple of other pictures and you can slide it by clicking on this picture here. Alright, last but not least, we'll learn the third part of creating your home page. Okay, for this you need a plugin called the Page Builder. I've already installed it, but I'll just show this to you. It's called Page Builder. Search install plugin. Oops, sorry, add new, and you can search for Page Builder. Okay, probably need a space. Okay, this is the one, Page Builder by SiteOrigin. It's the same developer as the theme we are using. Okay, so install it, activate it, and you would have Page Builder. Okay, after you have done it, go to Appearance and go to Home Page. Okay, without Page Builder, you will not see this page over here. Okay, let me just explain this Page Builder to you. What you see before you are different columns which actually correlates to what you have in your website. Okay, so if you look at your website, you have three widgets here, so it correlates to the three here, and the one below are the same as the ones in your website as well. Okay, so it's just a simple interface for you to edit it. So to edit the left widget over here, just hover over this and click edit. Okay, once you're in, you can type your title, simple and easy. You do not need okay, I'm just typing in some information as regards to my website. Okay, this is you can choose an icon that you like. Right, let's choose heart maybe for an easy one. Okay, so you can insert a background color as well. Okay, for this, just go to Google and search for hex colors. Okay, and choose the first one from W3 School. Okay, so from here you can choose your colors. Okay, I'll choose this color and I'll just copy this code here and I'll paste it into here. The icon background color. Okay, you can also insert images as your icon here. Okay, you can choose the position, the size of your icon. Okay, and the more text which links your visitors to other websites. So you can say learn for more. Okay, and I'll just use one of my created pages. Right, and link title and icon to more URLs actually. If you want others to be able to click on your icon to link to this URL here, just press this. I shall show you. Okay, so once it's done, save home page, and let's go back to see or change by refreshing, and there it is. Turned out nice. Your heart icon, your blue color background which you got from the hex colors, the title, your description, and for more. Look, if you check the box at the last column which we talked about just now, you'll be able to click on this icon and this title here. Otherwise, if you uncheck it, you can only click on this for more button. So look, once I click on it, it links me to my about page, which you can use to link to whichever page you like. Okay? Alright, let's continue with page builder. The second part, let's learn about the buttons over here. Okay? The buttons over here, you can actually change your visual style, which is the colors and also the borders of this element, this widget on your website. So let's try visual style. You can change the class. There's only two. You can choose the default one. Okay, I shall show you what is this top border. Let's try it. Top border, I'll choose a purple color. Oops, sorry. And bottom border, I shall choose purple color as well. Okay. For background color, I will just leave it empty because right now I want to insert an image. Okay. So to insert an image, you actually want to access your media. Okay, let's open this in a new page. Open the library media in a new page and search for the picture you want. Okay, I've already uploaded a picture here, okay, of a water. So I'll just copy this URL over here, copy, and I'll go back to page builder and visual style, and I'll paste the link over here. As simple as that. Okay, right? You don't have to worry about these options. Okay, I shall show you what's no bottom margin later. So once it's done, let's save home page, and let's go back to our website and refresh it. Alright, so there you have it. Your widget changed with a purple top and bottom border, and the image that you have just attached, and your wording. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, so what is this? No bottom margin. Let's try it. Enabled. Okay, let's save. So note the gap between here. Once it's refreshed, you would lose the gap with no bottom margin. Okay, so if you do not want a margin, you can just check that. Alright, the next thing we're going to learn about page builder is that you can actually delete the row here if you do not like it. Okay, so let's say I do not like the row here. I can just click on this, delete, or I can also drag this row up by moving my mouse over here and dragging it to the top and letting go. Right, so now it's on the top, and I can drag it to the bottom as well again, and if I do not like it, I can just delete the whole row. Okay, right, in case you do something wrong, you can always undo here. Okay, now let's try to add a new row. Okay, you can choose the number of columns. We'll go with 2 columns today. And once you added a column, you can actually adjust the percentage of how big each column is. So the default is 50%. Okay, a good rule of thumb is that you can use the rule of 1/3. So this is a good one, 33.3 and 66.7. Or you can, if you want 3 columns, you can do all for 33.3%. Okay, right, now let's try to add a widget. Okay, just click on this column, the blue color will appear, and click on Add Widget. Let's try a call to action button. You'll see what it is soon. Okay, maybe let's say for more videos. Okay, videos creating websites for your viewing pleasure. Okay, button text, what do you want on your button? Click here maybe, and the URL, you just use something that I already created previously. Website Dino /video. Okay, open in a new window. If you want, you can check that. You can choose a different style. Chocolate, probably a turquoise one. Okay, once it's done, just click done, save home page, and let's look at our widget again. Refresh. Okay, so that was gone, and there you have it. This is a call to action widget. Okay, so people can click here. You have your title, you have your description, and when others click here, they will be linked to your page. All right, let's go back home and let's create another widget. Okay, if you have a social media for your business, you can also use this as well. It's called the Vantage social media. Okay, right, connect to us. Right, I'll just key in my Facebook page. And my Twitter account as well. You guys can like my page and follow me on Twitter as well. Okay, probably want to open in a new window, and I'm done. Save this. Probably want to switch this no bottom margin off so it looks nicer. And let's refresh this and see what we have. Okay, there you have it. We have the connect to us, the Facebook button, and the Twitter button. Alright, so we have created our home page. Okay, to watch more videos that I've created, remember to subscribe to my channel at YouTube. For even more information, you can also go to my website at www.websitedino.com. Okay, this is Julius signing out. Hope you have a great time creating your website. Feel free to comment or send me an email if you have any queries regarding creating websites, and I will try my best to reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you.